Hey, and welcome to today's 80 Minute. I'm Josh Stanners here going over our latest fire alarms fit out in the back of a Hyundai iLoad van. At the rear, you can see we have an integrated tow bar and wiring, rear protection bar and step for easy access to the roof and ladders on the 3-bar roof rack. We have an underfloor drawer unit with false floor at the rear, 150 kg capacity per drawer. We have a cable holder on this side, integrated with shelving, cable holders, and more bins and modular shelving on this side. On the roof, a overhead interior sliding ladder rack, which is fantastic for maximising storage space on the floor and down on the roof. At the front, we have pull-out service cases for the technicians who need to take consumables onto site. Also a very efficient method for racking out your van. Please feel free to call us 095800 477 or have a look on our website autotransform.co.nz. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for your attention. Look forward to doing your next fit out.